बाबूश मोन्सेराताची केस आता मुंबई उच्च न्यायालयाच्या गोंय खंडपीठान साउथ गोवा सेशन कोर्टा मुखार दिल्या. 5 जुना सावन ट्रायल सुरू जातली. पर्मनंट एक्झाम्पशना खातीर रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर आतानासियो बाबूश मोन्सेरातान अर्ज दिला, जो कांय अटींचेर कोर्टान मानून घेतला. जाणा जावन घेवया पुराय बातमी. आतानासियो बाबूश मोन्सेरात गोंयचो एकोडो मंत्री, जाचेर पॉस्को अंतर्गत गुन्यांव दाखल जाला. उणे पिरायेचे चलयेचेर घुवळी वखदां दिवन बाबूशान बलात्कार केलो असो ताचेर आरोप आसा. आता ही केस दक्षिण गोंयच्या सत्र न्यायालयांत पावल्या. सगळ्या गोंयकारांचें लक्ष आता फुडल्या घडामोडींचेर लागून रावला. कितें निकाल लागता तेवूय गोंयकारांक जाणा जावन घेवपाचें आसा.
Permanent exemption. On the last date of hearing, if we had filed a reply objecting it to, the learned judge has granted the same. The second one was program is fixed now after 5th June. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday from 11:30 to 1 o'clock our matters will be taken. And first on 5th victim girl will be examined. After examination of the victim girl and cross-examination, then the program will be fixed for other witnesses. The learned PP has given list of 20 witnesses first, which he wants to examine. Those dates will be thereafter given. That's all for today.
Accused will be appearing on day one.
No, this is not the first date. Now, if it is, we are not disputing his identity, and therefore, if it is required, judge said either he has to come if it is required, or if we don't dispute his identity, is not required actually as per law, or he has to be made available by VC.
बाबूश मोन्सेरातची जी केस असली त्या केसीचे किती झाला?
Today the matter came up before the South Goa Sessions Court, which has been appointed as a special court by the Bombay High Court, before Judge Irshad Aga, wherein it has been now decided that a trial should start in this case from the 5th of June. It will take place twice a week from the 5th June, again on the 7th and on 9th. Today also the application filed by Revenue Minister Atanasio Montserrat came up before the court for permanent exemption. The court has granted the exemption but with a rider saying that the minister will have to attend the hearing as and when required in the case, or in the alternative the minister will have to come on video conferencing in the matter. The victim girl will be examined on day 1 of the trial, that is on the 5th of June at 11 o'clock in the court.
GOA365 खातीर रमेश नाईक रावत आनी ओमकार देशप्रभू.